This lobster pasta salad is loaded with crispy bacon, tomatoes, and buttery lobster meat. Hands down the best pasta salad I've ever made. Let's make it. Cook your pasta in boiling salted water until al dente, then drain and cool completely. I like to bake my bacon at 400 degrees for 15 minutes and it comes out perfectly every single time. But do keep in mind that every oven is different, so check it around the 12-minute mark. For the dressing, I use mayo, whole grain mustard, Old Bay seasoning, and lemon juice. Add as much Old Bay seasoning as you like. I used 1.5 teaspoons. Make sure your pasta isn't hot, otherwise it will absorb most of the dressing and turn out dry. I added red onion, tomatoes. Trust me on those, they add great flavor and goes great with the bacon. Serve it in a nice dish after you give it a good mix. Almost forgot my basil. It adds great flavor. I love basil, but if you don't like it, use whatever herbs you want. I used lobster tail meat. All I did was saute it in some butter and cooked it until it was no longer translucent. It took about 2 minutes. Make sure not to overcook it. I added some garlic and salt for extra flavor, cooked it for 10 seconds, removed it from the heat and let it cool for a few minutes. Then I poured it over the salad and this was truly incredible. You can leave the lobster on top or give it a mix. Enjoy!